In this video, we're going to look at how to set up an XGLOBAL Markets trading account using the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. If you sign up for either a real account or a demo account with XGLOBAL Markets, you'll receive an email like this. It contains logins for an MT5 account. It will contain a login number, a master password, an investor password, a trading server address, and the currency of the trading account. It's important to note that the investor password is read-only, so if you want to do any trading, you need to log in with the master password. To get started, head on over to the xglobalmarkets.com website and go to platforms. Choose the option that's right for the operating system that you're using. For this example, we're using Windows. So we need to click the Windows download link. It will download. Once it's downloaded, we can click and install it. For the purposes of this demonstration, we have it pre-installed. The first time you open it, you'll see a screen like this. The server is pre-selected, so we click Next. Then you'll want to select the option Connect with an existing trade account and get the credentials from your email. I've got my credentials here, so I'm going to enter them and log in. Right, we're logged in. You can see that because there is a green tick just by the server icon here, and if we go over to accounts, we click it, we will see the XGLOBAL server, and if we click that, we will see our account number next to the name of the account holder. So let's go over a few things. The first thing is the chart. The chart is made up of historic pricing data, and you can use it to perform technical analysis to understand how to trade. At the bottom, we have the Toolbox tab. Now this does many things, but we're going to cover two tabs. There's the Trade tab, and then there's the History tab. The History shows us all the trades that have been placed on this trading account. The Trade tab shows us our balance, our equity, and any open positions. Currently there are no open positions, but you'll see this later. On the top left-hand side, we've got the Market Watch window. This contains tradable products. It's important to note that by default, not all products that you can trade on the server are here. To add them, right-click within the Market Watch window and select the Symbols option. This will show you all the symbols on the trading platform. Let's add crude oil. Let's also add Dow Jones. These products can be seen here. If we want to open up a chart for these products, we can right-click on them and select Chart Window. Now to place a trade, let's say we want to place a trade on euro-dollar. Let's get the euro-dollar chart back up. We right-click on euro-dollar and we'll select the New Order option. This will present us with an order window. We can set the trade size here. We can also enter a stop loss or a take profit, which are levels where our position would automatically close on if we set them to prevent too much loss or to take profits when we've got to a certain level. For this example, I'm not going to set a stop loss or a take profit, and I'm going to place a buy order. Now it's important to note I'm buying euro-dollar, so what will happen is if I buy euro-dollar, I will make money if the euro appreciates against the dollar, and I will lose money if the euro depreciates against the dollar. Now if I thought the euro-dollar was going to go down in price, I would sell it, because if I sell it, it means that I will make money when the euro-dollar depreciates, which is the opposite of buying. So let's just buy and see what happens. Alright, so we've got a confirmation that the order has been placed. It's told us the price, and if we now look in the Trade tab in the Toolbox window, we can see our order here. We've got a live profit and loss that's constantly fluctuating, and we can close the order at any time by simply selecting the order, right-clicking in the window and selecting to close the position. Now, the first time we do this, we'll be presented with a window which will give us the option to enable one-click trading. I'm going to decline that. That basically allows you to open and close positions in one click. If you decline it, you will always have to use the order window to open or close positions, which a lot of people prefer for safety reasons. So I've just closed that order. I've got a confirmation on the screen and it has disappeared from the open orders screen. If I now go to the history, you'll be able to see that order I've just closed here and the profit and loss here. I hope that's helped. If you need any assistance, head on over to our website xglobalmarkets.com or contact any of our support team. They'll be delighted to help.